Three Things Live is not just another sewing tutorial video. This is a lifestyle show, the center of a community of creators just like you that love to sew, quilt, decorate your homes, and it has a focus on all that is good in the world.
We have visits from special guests, a quarterly book club. We keep you up to date with everything going on in the world of sewing. We help you finish your unfinished projects, and we share your stories.
He's learned that he can do really, really hard things.
You can join us live and comment and ask questions, or just sit back, relax, learn, laugh, and discover something new in every show.
Come and join us every Monday through Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern and 1 p.m. Mountain Time. Or watch when you want on YouTube or Facebook. There is room for everyone. See for yourself by clicking the links below to learn more.
Three Things Live is where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn,
and something to discover. Let's go!